Sabi ko nga, bawal ang pangit dito sa amin. Titignan din natin because di mo alam kung you might get surprised by any of these guys. So, sa tingin ko, wala tayo yung mga superstars na ready-made na magkakaroon ng immediate impact. Pero I feel the potential of these guys is on the high side. Yung difference ng early picks doon sa late picks, hindi ganun kalaki. No? So, parang tsambahan lang din to. Baka meron kang makita dyan na magiging Jonard Clarito, magiging Adrian Nocum. No? So, all teams, including us, are always looking for those finds. And there's an opportunity to draft these guys, see them in practice, and then make a decision. Ganun lang naman yun eh, kung isa-sign up mo sila o hindi.
There was some hype on Paul Mysek being some target tours. Were you surprised that you still got another round?
A little, no? Pero kasi yung exposure niya hindi rin ganun kalaki, no? So you're really just guessing, no? And yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, now you have a better chance to evaluate him in practice. Kasi napakaliit ng alam namin tungkol sa kanya eh. But kung nandun siya, then we drafted him just to see, no, how he will do in practice.
Coach, ano yan? Paul Mysek?
Oo, yung tinanong niya.
Kala ko mukha ka ng endorser ng
Siyempre, nakakatulong din yun. Sabi ko nga, bawal ang pangit dito sa amin. So, tingnan natin. No? Tingnan natin. So, we'll see them in practice tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Then after that, we will make a decision.